You know what, it's been a while, and for those of you who do actually care about this project, I think I've made you wait too long. And to be honest, I have kind of forgotten about this myself. It's been in the fridge for the past month, but today we're going to finish off our kumquat chung. So before I show how this looks now, a little context. Chung is like a method of making syrup, which is commonly used in Korea. Chung is the Korean name for it. But what it really is just adding fruit and sugar, and the sugar draws out all the moisture from the fruit, which leaves you with a syrup that is comprised mostly of just sugar and the actual juice from the fruit itself. So in my opinion, it makes a tastier syrup that's a lot more fresh and actually tastes like the fruit that you use. But with that said, this is the kumquat chung now after 1 month. Just to get all the liquid out, I am going to give this a quick squeeze. I haven't actually tasted this recently, so let's give it a quick taste. Ooh. Tastes like a fresh orange, to be honest. That's the syrup itself. But let's give one of these little bits a try. What I found with citrus is this process actually kind of turns into like candied citrus, like candied orange, candied lemon. The rinds become really soft, but then again, kumquats, usually the rind is really soft anyway, but we'll give it a try. Not super citrusy, but I think maybe that's just because like the kumquats I use probably aren't that great. It tastes like fresh kumquats still. It's delicious. I think I will actually dry these out, and these will be great as a garnish or on like granola or yogurt or something like that. So we'll save these. This is just a Teflon sheet on a rack that goes in my dehydrator. Just make sure none of these are really touching. So alternatively, what you could do, which is commonly done in Korea as well, is add this to soju or vodka or something, and then basically just infuse it into vodka or soju, and it would make kumquat soju or kumquat vodka. I don't have any soju or vodka with me right now, so I'm just gonna dry these out. Although alternatively, I could dry them out and then infuse them into vodka or soju. This is looking pretty good, although it might be a little bit cloudy because it's been in the fridge and the condensation on the outside of the bowl makes it look a bit cloudy, but it smells really good. It smells like fresh oranges. That is delicious. It's weird. It kind of tastes like orange candy, like one of those little orange hard candies. But it's delicious, honestly. It's not very strong. It's quite mild, but all the flavor is there. Now, however, I will just throw it in here. Put a lid on it. And just keep this in the fridge. And if anyone has any ideas for how I can use this, leave them in the comments below. Maybe in the next video we can try it with this. Actually, I did think of something we can do, which is really simple, really basic, and I do this a lot with some of my other chungs that are a bit stronger, but we might as well try it with this one as well. Get some ice. Too much ice. All it is a bit of kumquat chung, a bit of sparkling water, a bit of mixing action, and we have ourselves a kumquat soda. I don't imagine this will be too strong. It might be quite sweet, but let's give it a try. That is pretty refreshing though, because it is not so crazy. And I like sparkling water, so maybe it's different for other people, but this would be pretty good on a hot summer's day. Maybe even with a shot of vodka. Who knows? Or soju. In the comments, leave any suggestions for like anything else I can try with this, and I'll try in a future video.